Hi, this is a super quick tutorial on how to create a wreath out of the rosemary in your yard. Grab your yard clippers and a ruler. My other tools are 8-inch green cable ties, a 12-inch wire wreath frame, and about 220 or more of rosemary sprigs, which I cut to 6 inches, which seems to be the right size for my wreath. I then bundle into 3 sprigs of rosemary and attach it to the wire of the frame with the cable tie. I take a second bundle of 3 sprigs and overlap the first bundle. This helps give the wreath fullness. So there's a third bundle overlapping the second bundle by half. I then take the side cutters and cut off the tails from the cable ties just to clean it up, just like that. And then this is about halfway through. This is what it looks like. Continuing to cover the wire of the frame, continuing to clean up the cable tie tails. This is the finished product. You can hang it up as is, or as I like to do during the holidays, add a little bit of bling. Have fun and good luck.